Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to delete all posts from Facebook page at once. So first of all, open your Facebook account and switch your Facebook page. Before start the video, make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates. So let's get started. Look at the left corner, click onto page name, select a post. Now I'm delete this post. Tap onto three dot, but not showing here to the delete option. So go back, click onto manage post. If you want to delete all posts, select all, tap onto next, and then finally click onto done. Then successfully delete all posts from Facebook page at once. So that's how you can do it. If in this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe our tutorial channel for more videos.